In this video, I am going to teach you how to print your AutoCAD drawing on A4 paper size. This is perfect when you need to produce clean and professional hard copies of your work. Let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD and sign into your account. Make sure both the source and destination drawings are open. Next, go to any layout tab you want to use for printing. This will show your drawing prepared for plotting. Then, in the layout area, right-click anywhere on the blank space. This opens up a shortcut menu with different layout options. After that, choose Page Setup Manager or look for Show Properties in the list. This will allow you to adjust your layout settings. Finally, in the paper size section, change the size to A4. Once done, click OK and you're ready to print your drawing in A4 format. And that's how you print your AutoCAD drawing in A4 paper size. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick AutoCAD tips.
See you next time!